Yo, today we're gonna talk about how you can basically print money during a recession using real estate investing simply based off of your time, hustle, and your negotiating skills. Let's jump right into this. What's up, guys? It's your boy Swan Belcher, and what you might not know about me, I know you know that I have a bunch of rental properties. I know that you know that I do a lot of rehabs and I have a nice size apartment complex, but I really got my major start with wholesaling. Okay, at one point we were doing $500,000 a year just in wholesale fees. Okay, at this point we run our company differently, but I attribute a lot of my success to those years when we were just hustling, making a bunch of calls, making a bunch of offers, locking up 20 deals a month, and making simple assignment fees. Okay, this is how you can do the business yourself. Now, if you watched a lot of my other videos, we talk about how to find those deals, okay, and how to get them under contract with $0 deposits. But what makes wholesaling so sweet is you don't have to actually buy the properties and raise the money and have all the responsibilities of owning the property after the fact. You simply can create an assignment agreement. Okay, inside of our This Is Me Taking Action drive, whenever you buy a course, you get on a coaching call or do a one-on-one with me, you have access to the This Is Me Taking Action materials, and an assignment agreement is a part of those materials. This assignment agreement allows you to assign your rights to the contract to the new end buyer for a fee. Okay, now this fee can be taken at the time that they sign the agreement, okay, or it could also be taken at the time at the closing, or a mixture of both. Okay, when you assign your contract or sell your contract, typically buyers bring you a non-refundable fee of $2,000 to $5,000 to make sure that they're actually locked in. And for whatever reason, if they don't close, that $2,000 to $5,000 goes into your pocket. Now, the beautiful part about this is that does not limit you to the amount of houses that you can buy and lock up under contract. What it does is give you an exit strategy to say, hey, as long as I have a great deal, as long as I am calling sellers, making them offers, and getting them under contract with equity in place, either on terms or in cash, I can make money for every deal that I get in a contract. Okay, now if you don't know how to do this exactly, I'm gonna leave a link below to our course below, so that way you can learn how real estate can be made easy. Okay, and in order to get more real estate advice just like this, follow us right here on YouTube. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.